Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome to this class. My name is Okunlola Anna. So I'm also the one that is going to be teaching you on how to edit videos and images using the INSHOT app. There's a lot of things you are going to learn making use of the INSHOT app. INSHOT app is very easy to understand, very easy to use, and the terms that are used, the features in INSHOT is very easy for someone to be able to learn easily. And as a beginner in video editing, InShot app is a very good app for you to start with. Even if you want to try to make use of other apps as time goes on, the InShot app is a very good app to start with. There's a lot of things I'm going to be teaching you with the InShot app, and you are going to love it here. So, without further ado, stay tuned and see you in class. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to my Play Store app or any application you make use of in downloading your apps. Then you click on the search button and you will type InShot there. And it will bring something like this, InShot Editor Video. Then you click it to download. Mine is downloaded already, that's why it is looking like so. But if yours is not downloaded, you will click on install and it will install on your phone. Then after that, you will open it and it will bring something like this. So this is how the InShot app looks like: the video, the photo, and the collage option. But I'm going to be teaching you first with the video option. When click, this is what it will bring. These are some projects I've been working on. So I'm going to click on a new project so I can explain how to go about it. So you can see the video option, the photo option, and the all. For the video, it will show you collections of videos you have, while on the photo, it will show you collections of photo that you wish to turn into a video. There's some people that they make photo into videos. Then the all, that is the mixture of videos and photo. Down here, it will show you the catalog where you can easily get the video or any file you need, whether in recent, Instagram, and all. So one of those things you need to know is that you can mark a lot of videos at once and photo all together. Like what I'm doing here, I marked a lot of videos, a lot of pictures at once. You do not have to be picking them one by one. You can mark everything you wish to edit, and you just press this green button down here and it will bring it to the part that we are going to be working on, as in editing it. So you can see all the images I have picked so far and the videos. It is down here. So all the videos and image you pick will be showing on this down part. But I am going to be using this specific video as the project to explain to us how to edit. So now I'll mark this green button down here, and here it is, as you can see. So the very first thing I'll be explaining with is how to remove this InShot watermark. So all you need to do is to click it and click on free remove. If your data is on, it will play an ad, but my data is not on, so I'll just click it and it will load for like 2 minutes. So this InShot Pro is for those who want access to a lot of things without stress. So you have to pay yearly for that, but I do not need it. So now you can see the logo is removed and permanently is gone. You can see my data was not on, but if your data is on, all it will do is just to play an ad. So here, down here, you can see we have a lot of features or editing features. I am going to be explaining everything to you one after the other, but I'll be starting from the first part so that I won't mix it up. I'll be taking it one after the other, which is the Canva feature. So when you ask yourself what a Canva is used for, it is actually a feature used in determining the right frame for your video, so it will easily suit into the media or the place you are trying to post your video into. So this fit is just like it fits into the phone, but this one works for Instagram stories. Why this 9.16? It works for Facebook post, Facebook story, YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts. It is very versatile. Like it works for TikTok, a lot of things. As in, I so much make use of this 9.16 for most of my videos. That is landscape, like it is straight. When the phone is placed straight, not slanted, it works so well for me. As in, I don't need to start thinking of the right frame rate that will work for Facebook or that work for Instagram or YouTube shorts or TikTok, because once I just place it my video on this frame rate, it works for me. And the very first thing you have to always do before you edit a video is to put it in the right frame rate. The next one is this 16.9. For those who are YouTubers, this is the best for your frame rate. Then this one works for TikTok. This one works for cameras or laptop, people that wants to play the video in a laptop. This one also works for laptop. This is for a TV, and I think for camera size. This is for a large screen TV, a very large screen TV, and so on. Every other ones are not for social media. They are for either for camera, laptop, or TV. So I'm going to be clicking on this 9.16 because that's what I need. Then also for your zooming, you can zoom your videos from here. But once you zoom it, it will be permanent. That will be the frame rate of your video. But I feel I mostly pinch mine if I want need to zoom or I should crop. I'll be showing you that later. Then after choosing what you want, you are going to click on this mark button so it can work. So your frame has been chosen like so. Now the next part I'll be explaining is the audio option. So one thing you need to know is that before you go far in adding audio to your video, it is best you finish all your editing. So now we have three options here, which is the music, the effects, and the record option. But I'll be teaching you with the music option first. So let's click on it. So this is what it looks like. My data was not on here. So for you to be able to enjoy this featured option, you need to on your data so that those music can load, like the options of those music can load. And after you've on the data, you can see that I on my data. These are the things that it will load, different kind of music that you can make use of for your vlogs, for your get ready with me, for your videos, for your like any kind of video you're trying to make, maybe a story video. There are moods, there are different stories around it. So when I picked when I
You know
clicked
just
on
what
the
you do.
dazzling
You do.
option, there are some songs you can that can play over it. So a lot of options, like a lot of options to play over, like, but the only difference is that there's this option that the moment you click the song, it will show you copy. Wherever you are posting the song to, you have to make sure that you copy the like, you have to tell them that this is the owner of the song, so that it will not be tagged as copyright, because everyone have their copyright rules. So once you make use of those songs, just copy the link and paste it in your caption. So there's a lot of options around under this feature, a lot of beautiful songs, as in lovely musics that you can use for your work, that it will really beautify your work. A lot of songs. So I will advise you to take your time to study every options one after the other. Try to explore with it with a video. Try to play around it. Now the next one for us to move into is the music. That option, my music option. So when you click on this option, it will lead you directly into your music gallery. That is the music on your phone. So you'll be able to choose the music of your choice. If you can't easily locate the music, just click on the search button and type the kind of music you wish to make use of.